Aliens real or just fiction? This question has been asked by everyone, including famous figures like Elon Musk and NASA scientists. From movies like Area 51 to government reports, the idea of extraterrestrial life has sparked endless curiosity. A month ago, the US government made headlines when an ex-intelligence official claimed they had recovered non-human biologics near a crash site. There are many reports of alien sightings. A local legend gained wider attention in the 1980s when resident Charlotte man claimed in interviews that her father, Reverend William Huffman of the Red Star Baptist Church, had administered last rites for the dying crew of a crashed flying saucer. Whether or not you believe these claims, even top scientists have pondered the existence of extraterrestrial life. Enrico Fermi, a key figure in nuclear science, asked a now famous question: where is everybody? In 1950, while discussing a comic about flying saucers in New York, he pointed out the paradox of a vast universe filled with potential life, yet no contact with other civilizations. This became known as the Fermi Paradox. Our universe is 93 billion light-years wide, and scientists estimate there are 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions of stars. With so many planets and stars, how is it that we haven't found any evidence of extraterrestrial life? The Fermi Paradox suggests that, despite all this potential, no signs of alien civilizations have emerged. Could there be life on other planets? Fermi theorized that for life to exist, a planet must be in the Goldilocks zone, a region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water, not too hot or too cold. Earth's perfect placement within our sun's Goldilocks zone allowed life to flourish. But just being in the Goldilocks zone isn't enough. MIT astrophysicist Sarah Seeger pointed out that many factors, like the star's size and activity, affect a planet's habitability. For example, red dwarfs often emit powerful flares, reducing the chances of life on nearby planets. So, not all habitable zones guarantee life. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created a formula to calculate the number of intelligent civilizations in the Milky Way, known as the Drake equation. The problem? We don't know the exact values for most variables. While we can estimate the number of stars and planets, key factors like the longevity of civilizations remain unknown. What if humans are the only intelligent species in the universe? Some scientists used Drake's equation to estimate the likelihood. According to physicist Adam Frank, the probability that Earth is the only planet with intelligent life is just 1 in 10 billion trillion, a staggeringly small chance. Despite this small probability, there's no clear evidence of alien life. Some researchers propose that civilizations often destroy themselves before achieving interstellar communication. This theory is called the Great Filter and suggests that environmental or technological disasters, like climate change or nuclear war, stop civilizations from advancing. In 1974, scientists sent a radio message from the Arecibo telescope to the M13 star system, hoping to communicate with extraterrestrials. The problem? M13 is 21,000 light-years away. Even if aliens respond, it would take 42,000 years for us to hear back. Can human civilization survive that long to receive a reply? Stanford scientist Paul Ehrlich doesn't think so. He argues that our civilization is unsustainable, consuming resources faster than Earth can replenish them. According to Ehrlich, it would take 5 Earths to maintain our current way of life. Without drastic changes, humanity might not survive long enough to contact other civilizations. Adam Frank proposed 4 scenarios for the fate of civilizations. The worst-case scenario is the collapse model, where resources run out and populations plummet. Even if some survive, the environment may no longer support technological advancement. Sadly, many scientists believe we are already heading down this path. Another theory is that advanced civilizations never contact one another because they self-destruct. The Great Filter suggests that before a civilization reaches a point of interstellar communication, it collapses, often due to environmental degradation or misuse of technology. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light, which means that distant galaxies are moving away from us at an increasing rate. As a result, some regions of the universe will forever remain out of our reach. Scientists estimate that we will never be able to explore 94% of the universe. One possibility is that we aren't searching for aliens correctly. Today's research relies on looking for chemical biosignatures, but alien life may not leave the same chemical traces as Earth-based organisms. We may need to rethink how we detect extraterrestrial life. There's another possibility: we're alone in the universe. Based on current knowledge, some scientists believe there's a 39 to 85% chance that we are the only intelligent life in the observable universe. If that's the case, humanity's quest to find extraterrestrial civilizations might be in vain. What if aliens have already contacted us, and we're living in a simulation? The simulation theory suggests that we could be characters in a hyper-advanced computer game created by a more intelligent civilization. Elon Musk and Oxford philosopher Bostrom both argue that this could be a plausible explanation for our reality. The rapid development of video games from simple 2D graphics to immersive virtual reality suggests that in the future, technology might evolve to create simulations indistinguishable from reality. If so, could our universe be a highly advanced simulation, controlled by beings far more intelligent than us? If the simulation theory is true, the creator of our simulation might be similar to religious concepts of a higher power or deity. Whether you call it God, higher power, or the game designer, many religious and philosophical ideas seem eerily aligned with the notion of a simulated universe. So, are we alone in the universe, or are aliens out there? Will we ever discover the truth about extraterrestrial life, or is reality itself an illusion? Whether the answer lies in the stars or a supercomputer, humanity's search for meaning continues, driven by our endless curiosity about the cosmos.